Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use True WhatsApp in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to use True WhatsApp, dual WhatsApp accounts in your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your WhatsApp app. Now in your iPhone, the WhatsApp hasn't any direct way to use dual account or to use two accounts in your WhatsApp app. So you can easily do this by installing another app which is WhatsApp Business. So you have to simply open your app store here, go for the search option and just search for WhatsApp Business and you'll get that app here. So after installing WhatsApp Business, you'll be able to use dual apps or two accounts and your WhatsApp. So you can see this my WhatsApp Business and there's my original WhatsApp. There's many difference in between the two. I'm already using WhatsApp Business from years, so there's I have not found an issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.